Say goodbye to swelling. Every step you take shouldn't feel like a burden. But for millions of seniors, it does. The aching knees, the stiff joints, the swelling that just won't go away, these aren't just signs of aging. They're signals your body is running low on one critical ingredient, collagen. After the age of 65, your body produces less than half the collagen it needs to support joint health, elasticity, and strength. That's why every step feels heavier, every joint stiffer. But here's the good news, you can change that. Recent research shows that specific collagen-rich foods don't just slow down joint deterioration. They can reduce leg swelling by up to 47%, restore joint lubrication, and even boost skin elasticity by 63%, in under 30 days. In today's video, I'll walk you through the top 8 collagen-boosting foods, ranked from helpful to absolutely powerful, with the number 1 food containing 61% more collagen than anything else on Earth. And the surprising part? Most seniors have never even tasted it. But before we dive in, how old are you? Drop your age in the comments below. We read and respond to every single one. Let's begin with food number 8, a humble everyday ingredient that quietly helps rebuild your joints from the inside out. Number 8, egg yolks. Egg yolks are one of the most overlooked yet powerful foods for joint support and natural collagen production. While most people focus on egg whites for protein, the real joint-nourishing nutrients are found in the yolks. These include biotin, vitamin D, and especially sulfur, an essential mineral for collagen formation. Sulfur helps your body create amino acid chains, which are the structural backbone of collagen. Without enough sulfur, your body's collagen production slows significantly. This can result in weak ligaments, aching joints, and swelling in the legs due to fluid leakage through fragile connective tissues. A 2020 study published in Nutrients followed adults experiencing mild joint stiffness who ate whole eggs 5 days per week. After 10 weeks, participants reported a 22% reduction in joint pain, particularly in the knees and lower back. Blood tests showed increased collagen synthesis and decreased C-reactive protein, CRP, a key marker of systemic inflammation. To get the most out of egg yolks, it's important to cook them gently. Avoid scrambling until dry or overcooking, as this can destroy fragile nutrients. Instead, opt for poached, soft-boiled, or lightly pan-fried in olive oil. These cooking methods help preserve the yolk's natural collagen-building properties. And don't toss the yolks, that's where the magic happens. While some people worry about cholesterol, recent studies show that whole eggs do not significantly raise harmful cholesterol levels in most seniors and may even help raise HDL, the good cholesterol. Egg yolks may not look impressive, but they quietly support your body from within. For seniors looking to reduce stiffness, rebuild collagen, and ease swelling naturally, egg yolks are a simple, affordable, and powerful addition to any daily routine. Number 7, pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds may be small, but when it comes to supporting your joints and boosting natural collagen production, they are truly mighty. These tiny green seeds don't contain collagen directly, but they're packed with essential trace minerals that your body needs to produce collagen efficiently, specifically zinc, magnesium, and manganese. Each of these minerals plays a unique role. Zinc is necessary for the enzymes that start the collagen building process. Without it, your body can't assemble collagen properly. Magnesium helps reduce inflammation, ease muscle tension, and support energy production in the cells that form connective tissue. Meanwhile, manganese helps maintain the strength and elasticity of tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. A 2021 study published in Biological Trace Element Research observed older adults over the age of 65 who added just 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds per day to their diets. After only 8 weeks, participants experienced a 27% improvement in joint flexibility and a 19% decrease in swelling, especially in the lower legs and feet. Blood tests also showed improved markers of collagen precursor activity and reduced oxidative stress. To get the most benefits, prepare your pumpkin seeds properly. Soak them overnight in water with a pinch of sea salt to reduce phytic acid, a natural compound that can block mineral absorption. After soaking, you can eat them raw, dry roast them for crunch, or grind them into smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt. Pumpkin seeds are affordable, shelf-stable, and easy to include in your daily routine. They help your body build new collagen, preserve existing collagen, and repair joint tissue from the inside out. If your knees or ankles feel stiff or swollen, this simple seed might be the easiest step toward real, lasting relief. Number 6. Canned salmon, with bones. Canned salmon with bones may not look fancy, but it's one of the most effective and accessible foods for supporting healthy joints and rebuilding collagen. Most people discard the soft bones inside the can, but those tiny bones are nutritional gold. They're packed with natural collagen, calcium, phosphorus, and gelatin, all of which are critical for strengthening bones, restoring cartilage, and rebuilding the structural support your joints need. Combined, these nutrients help reduce joint discomfort and support mobility, especially in aging adults. A 2020 study published in Nutrients found that seniors who ate 3 servings of canned salmon with bones per week experienced a 32% improvement in knee flexibility and a 21% decrease in inflammation markers, including C-reactive protein, CRP. These improvements were most noticeable in those with chronic stiffness and swelling in the lower body. What makes this food even more powerful is the combination of collagen peptides and omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s help reduce joint inflammation, while collagen supports tissue repair at the cellular level. For best results, choose wild-caught salmon canned with bones, packed in water or olive oil, not in heavy sauces or soybean oil, which can reduce nutritional value. Thanks to the canning process, the bones are soft and easily mashed into the meat. No need to remove them. You can enjoy canned salmon in a variety of ways. Spread it on whole grain toast with avocado, mix it into salads with lemon and herbs, or stir it into warm grain bowls. Just make sure to eat both the meat and the bones to receive the full joint strengthening benefits. Canned salmon is an affordable, shelf-stable, and powerful tool for protecting your joints and keeping you moving, one bite at a time. Number 5. Chicken skin. For years, chicken skin has been wrongly labeled as unhealthy. But for seniors looking to restore joint health and boost collagen naturally, it turns out that chicken skin may be one of the most effective foods you can eat. Chicken skin is one of the richest natural sources of type 1 collagen, the primary form found in your joints, ligaments, tendons, and cartilage. This type of collagen helps cushion your bones, reduce stiffness, and protect your joints from everyday wear and tear. A clinical study published in the International Journal of Medical Sciences followed adults over the age of 55 who consumed collagen from poultry sources regularly. After just 12 weeks, they reported a 40% improvement in joint comfort and a 33% reduction in stiffness, particularly in the knees and hips. Imaging results even showed less cartilage degradation. What makes chicken skin powerful is that it delivers real, whole food collagen, not just supplements or powders. Cuts like chicken thighs, wings, and necks that still have skin and bone intact are ideal, as they contain collagen, connective tissue, and essential nutrients all in one. To retain these benefits, it's important to cook chicken skin gently and slowly. Baking, roasting, or simmering it in broth helps preserve collagen while avoiding the harmful effects of deep frying, which can oxidize fats and trigger inflammation. Chicken skin is surprisingly versatile. You can shred it into soups or stews, crisp it in the oven for a savory topping, or simply eat it warm off the bone. It's especially helpful for supporting knees, hips, and ankles, the joints that take the most impact as we age. Don't discard the skin, it's not just flavor, it's function. This once feared food could be a game changer for restoring movement and reducing joint pain naturally. Number 4. Gelatin. Gelatin is one of the most direct and effective ways to supply your body with collagen, especially for seniors struggling with stiff joints, swelling, or weak connective tissues. What makes gelatin unique is that it's essentially collagen that has already been broken down, making it easy for your body to absorb and put to use quickly. Derived from animal bones, skin, and connective tissues, gelatin is rich in amino acids like glycine and proline, which are essential for rebuilding damaged cartilage, strengthening tendons, and restoring joint function. It's especially useful for older adults who may have weakened digestion and struggle to absorb nutrients from more complex foods or supplements. A 2018 double-blind study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition evaluated older adults with moderate joint pain who were given daily gelatin supplementation. After just 6 weeks, the participants reported a 37% improvement in mobility and a 27% reduction in knee and ankle inflammation. Even more impressive, MRI scans revealed early signs of cartilage thickening, a rare outcome in aging individuals without surgery or medication. To reap these benefits, choose a grass-fed, unflavored gelatin powder with no added sugars or artificial ingredients. Stir it into warm tea, soups, or bone broth until fully dissolved. You can also get creative by making collagen-rich gummies using fruit juice, or mixing gelatin into your morning oatmeal or yogurt. The key is consistency. Just a small amount of gelatin daily can help rebuild connective tissue, improve flexibility, and reduce chronic swelling. Gelatin isn't just a dessert ingredient, it's a therapeutic food that supports your joints from the inside out. If you're looking for a simple, natural way to restore comfort and mobility, adding gelatin to your daily routine is a smart and effective step forward. Number 3, sardines, with skin and bones. Sardines may be small, but they're one of the most powerful superfoods you can eat for collagen support, especially when consumed with the skin and bones intact. These parts are often discarded, but they hold the highest concentration of joint rebuilding nutrients. The soft bones in sardines are packed with type 1 collagen, calcium, and phosphorus, which help strengthen joints and restore cartilage. Meanwhile, the skin contains elastin and omega-3 fatty acids that actively reduce inflammation and promote healing in connective tissues. In a 2022 study published in Nutrients, seniors who consumed 3 servings of sardines per week reported a 29% reduction in joint pain and a 25% decrease in knee and ankle swelling. Blood tests revealed enhanced collagen activity and lower inflammatory markers, especially in those with early signs of arthritis or joint degeneration. For the best results, choose canned sardines packed in water or olive oil, avoiding those in heavy sauces or high-sodium brines. Because the bones are softened during the canning process, they're completely edible and easy to mash into the meat. Sardines are incredibly versatile. You can mash them onto avocado toast, toss them into grain bowls, stir them into salads with lemon and herbs, or pair them with crackers for a nutrient-dense snack. If the taste is too strong at first, blend them with Greek yogurt and a bit of mustard to create a creamy, milder spread. Sardines are shelf-stable, affordable, and packed with nutrients your joints crave. Just a few servings a week can help you rebuild collagen, reduce stiffness, and take pressure off your knees and ankles. For seniors looking to walk with more ease and less pain, sardines are a simple but highly effective food that truly delivers results. Number 2, bone broth. Bone broth is much more than a soothing drink, it's a highly effective, natural form of liquid collagen therapy for aging joints. When bones are simmered for an extended period, they release a powerful combination of nutrients, including gelatin, type 1 collagen, glycine, proline, and essential minerals like calcium and magnesium. These nutrients work together to reduce inflammation, repair connective tissue, and restore cartilage thickness, making bone broth one of the most comprehensive foods for joint health. In a 2021 randomized clinical trial published in Clinical Interventions in Aging, seniors who drank 1 cup of homemade bone broth daily for 12 weeks experienced a 44% decrease in joint swelling and a 38% improvement in pain and mobility scores. Ultrasound scans even showed increased cartilage density in the knee joints, a measurable sign of regeneration. To make bone broth at home, use collagen-rich cuts such as beef knuckles, chicken backs, or turkey necks. Simmer them for 12 to 24 hours with herbs, onions, garlic, and a splash of apple cider vinegar, which helps pull minerals from the bones into the broth. If you're short on time, store-bought options are available. Just look for frozen or refrigerated varieties that are free from preservatives, artificial flavors, or excess sodium. Bone broth is incredibly versatile. You can drink it warm as a healing beverage, use it as a base for soups and stews, or even cook your rice and vegetables in it for an invisible boost to your joint health. Few foods provide this combination of collagen, hydration, and anti-inflammatory compounds in one simple cup. For seniors looking to reduce stiffness, support joint repair, and feel more mobile, bone broth offers a warm, nourishing, and proven solution. Number 1. Beef tendons. Beef tendons may not be the most visually appealing food, but they're one of the most collagen-dense and therapeutically powerful options available for seniors. If you're dealing with stiff joints, chronic swelling, or reduced mobility, beef tendons could be a game-changer in your daily routine. Tendons are made almost entirely of type 1 collagen, the same type found in your ligaments, cartilage, bones, and skin. When consumed consistently, this form of collagen directly supports your body's ability to rebuild structural tissues, improve joint lubrication, and restore mobility lost to aging. A 2022 clinical study published in the Journal of Functional Foods tracked seniors over 60 who consumed collagen-rich beef tendon stew 3 times per week. After just 30 days, participants experienced a 63% increase in joint fluid density, a 41% decrease in stiffness, and significantly better walking stability. MRI scans confirmed actual regrowth of soft tissue cushioning in major joints. To prepare beef tendons properly, simmer them low and slow, typically 8 to 12 hours, until they become soft, jelly-like, and easy to chew. Add ginger, garlic, and a splash of rice vinegar to enhance flavor and improve digestion. You can incorporate them into soups, stews, or noodle bowls. If you're new to tendons, start with small portions and mix them with vegetables or bone broth to get used to the texture. Beef tendons are nature's most potent collagen delivery system, better than powders, pills, or trendy supplements. They provide deep support for the joints that carry you through life and help restore what time has worn away. If you're looking to walk with more strength, reduce pain, and regain confidence in your stride, beef tendons might be the most powerful food you haven't tried yet. These 8 collagen-rich foods aren't exotic. They're real, affordable, and easy to work into your regular meals. They've been clinically studied, proven to reduce swelling, ease stiffness, and rebuild your joints from the inside out. You don't need expensive pills or powders. You need real fuel, collagen-rich food your body can recognize, absorb, and use. So tell me in the comments, which one are you trying first this week? We read and respond to every comment, and we'd love to hear about your journey. If you found this helpful, tap like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, so you never miss another video that helps you move, feel, and live younger. Because your legs deserve another chance. And you're not done yet.